We have here a question: how to transfer system 1 going to system 2. This is for emergency purposes or normal usage. You can transfer system 1 going to system 2 without crossover or interconnection. For in case you need to repair other system without evacuation system, or the things that you need to repair or maintenance that you need to evacuate all refrigerant, you can use this strategy. Before you watch this video, see to it that you already watch how to charge ship air conditioning unit, so that you are aware of this system, because the system in that video is almost the same. Okay, let's go. First thing to do, we need to draw the flow diagram or the block diagram. This one is the compressor. Same, we have two systems, system 1 and system 2, but we don't have a interconnection. This is the condenser, also the side at the number 2, it's almost the same. That is the direction of the flow. We have here a dryer going to solenoid, dryer going to solenoid. Solenoid is controlled by temperature. Expansion valve, then evaporator. This is the refrigeration cycle, but in our system it's almost the same. We have also video about expansion valve, how to simulate and also change the temperature for the solenoid. This topic is for AC transfer of refrigerant. We need to draw at the system 2 so that we can simulate or we can imagine. This is also, it has a dryer. The dryer, there is a charging valve, charging isolation valve. That is for the liquid charging valve. All we need to do is put a interconnection. The hose that we need is for basic charging hose. This one, you need to connect at the charging valve. Okay, suction isolation valve close at the system 2. After dryer must be closed. After condenser, this is open, must be open. At the system 1 is closed, and all valves are open. Okay, let's start. For example, the system 2 at level at the side glass is 1/2 or 3/4. That is the level at the side glass you need to transfer. Okay, this is the flow. Number 2 condenser going to the charging valve at number 1, because the after condenser is closed. Goes like this. Go to the solenoid, and take note, this solenoid must be open. This solenoid also controlled by temperature at air suction at AHU, air handling unit, means the fan. That is the suction air coming from outside of ship's accommodation. Okay, starting number 2, going to the dryer, pass to the solenoid, evaporator, going to the condenser. Condenser 1, after it reaches a 1/2, for example, you need to close. Example, the remaining is 1/4, because number 2 is 3/4. Transfer to the other side at system 1. When the system 1, you see the site class 1/2, just stop the compressor number 1, or close this one. Close number 1 after condenser, and then let low suction triggered. After low suction triggered, and then automatically the compressor is stopped. Then open this one after condenser for normal operation. Okay, that's it. I hope I'll explain or answer your question. Okay, simply put a hose at the charging line, liquid charging line, going to the other charging line, to the system 1 charging line. This hose is intended for interconnection. If you have bigger hose, much better, but this is normal size for us. As you can see, there is no interconnection, but this hose is the main purpose, so that we have interconnection for system 1 and system 2. Okay, just only open all charging valve, system 1 and system 2. After opening that one, you need to bleed, so that there is no air inside in the hose. Right now, the system 2 has a charge the refrigerant, and then put it back to number 1. It means number 2 refrigerant going to number 1. Okay, after you put interconnection, just wait until this receiver is enough for charging. Example, that's 1/2 or 3/4 to be safe. After that, if this is increasing, after level at the half on the side glass, you need to turn off and open the after condenser. If you learned from this video, click like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell for more updates. And follow us on Facebook, Barko TV. Thank you very much.